Hello traders, I am back with another video of my funded account with the Funded Trader program. You can see here it says account status in progress, but this video is not to walk you through the trades I took on my live account. If you have subscribed to my channel and have been viewing my videos, then you know that I made mention of a giveaway which I will do. I will give away a $50,000 standard challenge account to one lucky subscriber, and this account is worth $315 courtesy of the Funded Trader. I was given this account to give it away because I am a partner with them. But before I tell you the next instructions on how to be eligible for the giveaway, which I'll pick a winner soon, I want to let you know that I have a coupon code which will give you a 10% discount whenever you are buying a challenge account on the Funded Trader. You can find the coupon on the description of this video. Now that you are aware of the coupon, let's get started on the giveaway. I will post this video on my IG page. All you have to do is head over to my page on IG and like and comment on this video. But before then, you have to like and comment on this video first. The winner will be picked from the comments on this video on my IG page. And one more thing, you must be a subscriber and a follower on IG. If I pick you and I notice you didn't do all that I said, then I'll have to redo it and give it to someone else. Good luck and don't forget to follow the rules.